Welcome to Windows Gutters, etc. Today we're going to talk about your underground drains, otherwise known as French drains. Typically you'll see these under cement or stone walkways, or your landscaper may put these in for aesthetic purposes. I'm sure these images are why you're looking at this video. This is not an uncommon problem. The reasons are pretty simple. You either have debris blocking up in the elbow or throughout the gutter, or there may not be an opening at the other end, and it causes the water to back up. So our goal is 2 points. One, we want to unblock anything that is causing an obstruction, and then 2, we want to find the end of the gutter. Instead of hiring a plumber that may charge you $1,000 plus to clean out that underground downspout, we've developed a system that's proven to be quite effective and much less expensive. As we drill through, break up the debris, our next goal is to find the opening at the other end. So the next step is to look for some type of puddling or some type of bubbling or streaming, and that's where we're normally going to find the opening. As you can tell here, we have plenty of water flowing through, and then here in a second you're going to see us pop the top off of this green elbow pop-up drain. There you go. Look at that. In this example, we were trying to find where the pipe opened up underneath the sidewalk or rock walkway along the side of the house. If you pay attention, we were able to find that opening where you see that water streaming out. We needed to clear out some of that water so we could find the actual end of the pipe. And then if you notice, we were able to get our hose through here in a second. So we found the opening. We know that it is unblocked. So then the next step is to clear away that rock and make sure it has a place to go. This was another example where we went under a walkway and then the pipe went down into the yard. We found the opening. You notice the streaming there. And one of the things we were running into was roots were growing over the opening itself and making it impossible for the debris to get past. What we're trying to do is open up where the blockage is on the end of that downspout. We're trying to clear out the mud, the dirt, just to make sure we know where the opening is and make sure that it is clear. So now we have punched through. We know that the French drain is unplugged. The next step is to create a pathway for that water to flow away from the opening. Otherwise, it's going to pool up, mud's going to form, and you're going to have the same problem again. As we work together to resolve this problem, we should be able to protect your sidewalks, walkways, foundation, even your yard, save you money at the same time. Give us a call if you would like to schedule an appointment or to get a better understanding of our process. And for those do-it-yourselfers, feel free to give me a call and I can share some ideas on how you may be able to accomplish this on your own. Thanks, and I appreciate you watching our video.